What if I told you that Windows 11 25H2 looks almost identical to Windows 11 24H2, yet it includes several important improvements that could make your PC more stable, secure, and better prepared for future updates? At first glance, you probably won't notice any major visual differences. The desktop, start menu, taskbar, and file explorer all look very familiar, making it easy to assume that 25H2 is just another small update. However, Microsoft has focused this release on improving the experience behind the scenes rather than introducing a complete redesign. In this video, we'll compare Windows 11 25H2 and Windows 11 24H2 side by side to see what's actually changed, how performance compares, what new features have been added, and whether upgrading is really worth it. To begin with, it's important to understand what Windows 11 25H2 actually is. Unlike Windows 11 24H2, which introduced several platform-level improvements and laid the foundation for future Windows development, Windows 11 25H2 is primarily a refinement update. Instead of redesigning the operating system, Microsoft has concentrated on improving performance, reliability, security, Windows Update, and preparing the operating system for future AI-powered experiences. Think of it as a polished version of Windows 11 24H2 rather than an entirely new release. Let's start with performance, since that's what most users care about the most. In everyday tasks like opening File Explorer, browsing the internet, editing documents, streaming videos, and multitasking, both versions perform very similarly. However, Windows 11 25H2 includes several under-the-hood optimizations that improve CPU scheduling, memory management, and background resource handling. Microsoft has also started rolling out a new app performance boost feature that can allow supported applications to launch significantly faster by temporarily increasing CPU frequency during startup. While you probably won't notice a dramatic speed increase across the entire operating system, Windows 11 25H2 generally feels a little smoother and more responsive during everyday use. Gaming performance is another area many users ask about. If you're expecting a huge FPS increase after upgrading to Windows 11 25H2, you'll likely be disappointed because both versions perform almost identically in most modern games. However, Microsoft has continued improving driver compatibility, background optimization, and system stability, which can result in a more consistent gaming experience over time. For most gamers, the difference won't be measured by higher frame rates but rather by improved reliability and fewer background interruptions. When it comes to new features, Windows 11 25H2 focuses more on refinement than major visual changes. Microsoft has continued improving Windows Update with smarter restart scheduling, better recovery options, and enhanced servicing stack updates that help future updates install more reliably. The operating system also includes improvements to accessibility features, additional recovery capabilities, and infrastructure that allows Microsoft to deliver new features gradually through future updates. Rather than waiting for an entirely new Windows release every year, many new capabilities can now be enabled through feature rollouts. Security has also received significant attention in Windows 11 25H2. Microsoft continues strengthening Windows by improving built-in security protections, servicing updates, and overall update reliability. Although these improvements aren't immediately visible, they help reduce update failures, improve long-term system stability, and ensure your PC remains protected against newly discovered vulnerabilities. These background improvements play an important role in maintaining a healthy and secure Windows installation. If you're using a laptop, you may also notice small improvements in battery life and power efficiency. Windows 11 25H2 includes additional optimizations for background processes and power management that can slightly reduce energy consumption during normal workloads. While these improvements aren't dramatic, they can contribute to better battery life and cooler system temperatures over extended periods of use. Artificial intelligence also continues to play a growing role in Windows. Although many advanced AI features still require newer Copilot+ PCs equipped with dedicated NPUs, Windows 11 25H2 introduces additional infrastructure that allows Microsoft to deliver more AI-powered experiences through future updates. This means compatible devices can continue receiving new intelligent features without requiring another major Windows version. So, should you upgrade? If you're already running Windows 11 24H2 and your system is working properly, Windows 11 25H2 is generally a worthwhile upgrade. It offers improved stability, stronger security, better update reliability, small performance optimizations, and ongoing support for Microsoft's latest features without changing the familiar Windows experience. However, if your current installation is working perfectly and you don't immediately need the newest improvements, there's no urgent reason to rush the upgrade. Waiting until the update becomes widely available is also a perfectly reasonable option. Overall, Windows 11 25H2 isn't a revolutionary update, but it's an important one. Instead of introducing major visual changes, Microsoft has focused on refining the operating system, improving reliability, strengthening security, optimizing performance, and preparing Windows for future innovations. For most users, Windows 11 25H2 represents a solid step forward and is the better choice if you're looking for the latest and most polished Windows experience. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows updates, hidden features, tutorials, and optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.